Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Not the Shot. I'm your host Otis Conley, and today we have with us the 2007-2008 new exec board for Club Creole.
Hello everybody, my name is Haitian, and I am your external vice president for the 2007-2008 Club Creole E-Board.
My name is Jessica Jean-Rene, and I am Club Creole's president for the year of 2007-2008.
Hello, my name is Eunice Darris, and I am this year's Neg Mawon, and also I am the PR for 2007 and 2008.
So how do you guys feel? I mean, your new position. Are you guys ready to tackle on this new position, this new endeavor?
Well, we're ecstatic about the new Club Creole. This is actually my first semester here, first year here at USF. So I am pretty excited to be on the e-board with Club Creole and ready to tack on any task that comes out in the community and also the organization as a whole.
All right. And you, Miss Madam President?
Well, I am anxious, nervous, overwhelmed, and a little bit scared because it's a lot of pressure, and Club Creole, it means a lot to me, so I just want to do the best I can to make it work. That's all I want to do, the best.
And Vice President?
This is my third year on the executive board, and I'm still excited, I'm still motivated, I still have the passion to make sure we present ourselves in a respectful, have cultural awareness, and just bring our Club Creole to the community and to the USF campus.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Now, Mr. Neg Mawon, could you tell us what your title entails?
Well, as Neg Mawon, I have to, since I am representing the club, I would have to pretty much stand strong and firm for what I believe in, educate other men out there about the culture back home in Haiti and the differences here in the United States and how we have to fight harder or work harder for what we believe in.
So when it comes down to males, Haitian males in college, how do you feel about that issue, more so in the sense of the attendance of Haitian males in college?
You mean the declining attendance, or?
I mean, whichever way you feel about it.
Okay, well, I feel that there is not enough Haitian men in college due to the fact that when they're in Haiti, they work so hard to come here in the United States, and they already have their degrees. So when they come here in the States and they can't use their degrees, and they have to start all over, it's frustrating for them. So they go out and find other jobs rather than to start all over.
Most of that is an issue that is not often discussed. I mean,
Right.
I do know quite a few individuals who have come from Haiti, engineering, political science. I mean, it's like the degree really wouldn't transfer over. I mean, so they would basically have to start over, and that's kind of frustrating. But more so, I want to talk more so about, Haitian Americans. Haitian Americans, most definitely individuals who were born over here, grew up in a Haitian household, and they are not attending college. I mean, what do you think the reason?
Well, I am a Haitian American. Both of my parents born and raised in Haiti, and I was born here in Florida. I'm in college. However, there's a lot of people that's not in college. That's your question, and I feel that it's due to their lack in the cultural awareness within the community as Black men, and also as young Haitian American men as well. So it's hard for them to actually leave like certain things that they're used to, because the culture, so to speak, keep us inside of a box. So you would have to go outside the box to actually achieve certain goals that you want to accomplish.
Do you feel that your position can actually help out in that matter?
I believe it can, because I have, since I received Neg Mawon title, I received a lot of friends from back home, back in Fort Lauderdale, Miami, and they're pretty much interested, they're excited, and awesome. They want to learn more, and I'm willing to teach them, and I'm willing to help them achieve that status in life.
That's awesome. And Madam Vice President, now you said you've been on the exec board for about 3 years. What would you say needs to be done differently this exec board, this term?
For the past 2 years, we've done a large amount of great things to promote our culture and to bring awareness on the USF campus and community. I think this year we just got to step up our game. It's just bringing more events, bringing more,
I agree.
bringing more community service, bringing more activities to promote our culture and to bring awareness. I don't think we've done anything negative. We haven't done anything bad. It's just bringing it to another level, just stepping up to another level and reaching our hands in a bigger way.
Regardez iVision. Vous regardez iVision. You are watching iVision TV. iVision, a glimpse of the Caribbean. Sunday, 3 to 4 p.m. on the Bright House Channel 20 and Verizon Channel 30. Friday, 2 to 3 p.m. on the Bright House Channel 19. iVision, your island in your screen.
We're planning to do a lot of collaboration with the other organizations because one of our mission is to dispel the negative stereotypes, and we can do it amongst ourselves, but it's more effective if you have other people that's actually looking into it and seeing, you know, oh, Haitians are not really like that, Haitians. So what we're doing is collaborating in different ways. We have events such as Compa Latina, where we combine through music, where we have the Latin American music, the salsa, the merengue and all that stuff, and we have our compa and our zouk and tubadu, and we just combine with that organization. And this is just one way for them to learn about us and to dispel one of the stereotypes that they might have had about us.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And how do you guys basically plan on representing Club Creole, not only just throughout student organization, but throughout the university in its entirety?
I think it's important to stay connected with the Office of Engagement and Involvement. They definitely make sure, like, we're supposed to be putting banners in the fall. Everybody's gonna have banners posted around the campus. So for Haitian students, that's first steps on campus. You know, they're gonna see the banner, like, oh, I see there's Haitians here. Obviously, you know, right. That's important to us. Staying connected with the multicultural community. That's where all the all the multicultural organizations. That's where they're based. And if you need information about LASA, if you need information about META or what have you, you go there to find out information. Stay connected with Volunteer USF, doing Gandhi Day, the Indian Students Association, I believe it is. They have Gandhi Day where they go in the community and promote the philosophy of Gandhi. We have SOS, you know, Stampede of Service, where we go into the community also and promote Martin Luther King commemoration. So just staying connected, because these offices help us stay connected with other students. They bring us together. Multicultural community actually has a day called Holiday Celebration, where all the organizations come together and we celebrate a holiday. We celebrate last year. We celebrate Haitian Flag Day. The year before we probably will celebrate Independence Day. So it's a way to get a taste of everybody's individuality.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Regardez iVision. Vous regardez iVision. You are watching iVision TV.
We're actually looking to have 2 new events put in place. One is a walk for Haiti, to just bring awareness to the current issues that we're facing and just to put the Haitian culture out there. And for that event, we need sponsors, anyone that's watching. And we also have another event called Taste and See, and this event is more so a collaboration with all the other Caribbean organizations at USF, just to bring out the food, the artifacts, and the dance and music and all that stuff. So the community can always come to those and support.